Welcome back. Today we will be talking about the GnRH-LH testosterone axis, and we'll also mention the medications that can affect this axis. Alright, so this axis is composed of the brain, the testes, an enzyme, and of course the receptor. In the brain specifically, we have the hypothalamus, which will release the GnRH, which will affect the anterior pituitary gland to release the LH. LH released from the pituitary gland will signal the leading cells in the testes to release testosterone. And this testosterone is converted by 5-alpha reductase to a super testosterone that we call dihydrotestosterone, with significantly higher potency and half-life. And of course, the dihydrotestosterone will affect the receptor that is meant to work on. This is the fundamental physiology of testosterone axis. Okay, now for the good stuff, we need to know the medications that can affect this axis, because most likely this is what you will be asked about. All of these medications that we will mention inhibit certain points in this axis. Alright, so first we have loprolide, which inhibits the pituitary gland, thus decreasing LH. Then we have spironolactone and ketoconazole. They both inhibit leading cells in the testes, thus decreasing testosterone. And we have finasteride, which inhibits the enzyme in the axis, thus decreasing dihydrotestosterone. And finally, the CSF group, as I'd like to call them, work on the receptor. Alright guys, that's everything I've got. Hopefully I made this easier for you, and see you guys later.